Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 9. The subject is maths and the chapter number 7, triangle. In the previous video, I will explain you about the exercise 7.1. Now in this video, I am going to discuss about the exercise 7.2 and some theorem that is related to the exercise 7.2. So now and we discuss about some properties of a triangle also. Now the theorem 7.2. Theorem 7.2. Angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle. So we have to prove this this triangle is a isosceles triangle. An angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. The theorem is what? Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now we have to prove, see this is the figure, triangle. We can make one now we have to prove these two triangles, and the given is what? Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Mean the side is equal. This is given. So given AB is equal to AC. We have to prove angle B is equal to angle C. Now first we congruent this to triangle, means if we start a proof, then in triangle ADB and triangle ADC, we know that in ADB and ADC, AB is equal to AC and angle BAD. One more thing is given here, means AD bisect angle A. It's very simple. So we have to prove this two triangle congruent. Now we can use AB is equal to AC. This is given. Now angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is an isosceles triangle property. And then AD is common. So now see side, angle, side. Now the triangle ADB is congruent by triangle ADC by SAS congruent condition. But we have to prove angle B is equal to C. Then angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. Basically this angle B and C are the congruent part of the corresponding triangle. So if the triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are also congruent. Now B is equal to C. Then therefore angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So this is the theorem 7.2. In this we have to prove angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. So this is the proof. You can see and understand. If you are feeling any problem, you can ask within a class. Now the theorem 7.3, the side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal, means theorem 7.3 is the converse of theorem 7.2. So theorem 7.3 is converse of theorem 7.2, sorry, converse of theorem 7.2. So in this, if we are going to prove theorem 7.3 converse, first I tell you what is the theorem. The side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. The side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. This is the converse of theorem 7.2, and we can prove this by ASA, because this is, if you have any confusion in the converse of theorem 7.2, means the theorem 7.3, we will discuss within a class. Now let us start with some examples. So the first example, number 4. Example number 4 is, in triangle ABC, the bisector of AD of angle A is perpendicular to the side BC. Show that AB is equal to AC and triangle ABC is the isosceles triangle. Now this is the figure. And this is perpendicular, means given is A, B, C and D. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD bisect angle A. So we have to prove first AB is equal to AC, then second triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So now the proof start. For proving this, to first AB is equal to AC and triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, we have to prove these two triangles ADB and ADC congruent. Now in this we can prove in triangle ADC and triangle first you write ADB and then ADC. Now we have to prove AB first. Now we start a proof first. AB is equal to AC. So in this we have given angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This is given as, I written here on AD bisect angle A, means AD divide this angle in two equal parts. Then AD is equal to AD. It's common. Now first AD is perpendicular to BC. It means that the angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Both are 90. Both 90 degree. So now we check which congruency we use in this: angle, side and angle. So triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by ASA congruent condition. Now come to the proof. First, AB is equal to AC. AC by CPCT. It's a corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So if the triangle is congruent, their corresponding part are also equal. Now, if we know that side AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to C also. Side opposite to equal angle are equal, or you can use the CPCT also. In this, angle opposite to equal side. Angles opposite to equal sides. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal, or you can use CPCT also, so there is not an issue. If AB is equal to AC, angle B is equal to C, we say that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, now let us discuss some exercise question. First, in this, I repeat, in this we have to prove AB is equal to AC, and second, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. First we prove these two triangles. We prove these two triangles congruent by ASA. Then AB is equal to AC by CPCT. Then angle A is equal to B. You can use the property, or you can simply write by CPCT. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is the example number 4. This is example number 4. Now let us perform some questions from the exercise. Now exercise 7.2, question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join A and O, A to O. Show that. So first we make a figure. This is an isosceles triangle A, B, C. In an isosceles triangle, AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle B. So bisector of angle B intersect here, and bisector of angle C intersect here. This angle is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Join each other at O, or you can remove this. Now this is not given कि we have to join this to the side. Now join A like this. Show that. Now we have show that, or you have to write to prove. First, OB is equal to OC, and second, AO bisects angle A, and we know that the given is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, and the second is AB is equal to AC. You can use all related to isosceles, all properties related to the isosceles triangle. Now, first we have to prove OB is equal to OC. Here is OB and here is OC. So, first we prove this triangle to this. Is it be possible or not? Or we can prove this to triangle. You can check. Okay, first we prove these two triangle, then we prove this, and by default they both are equal. See, to prove in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, AOB and BOC, so we can use angle ABO is equal to angle ACO, then angle not ACO, this is angle CBO. Now ACO is equal to angle BCO, and BC is common, and these two are given. So angle side angle, therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC by ASA. Similarly, triangle AOC is congruent to triangle COB by ASA. Therefore triangle AOC is congruent to triangle AOB. AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. Now these two triangles are congruent. On the behalf of this congruence, we can say that first OB is equal to OC by CPCT, because these are the corresponding part of a congruent triangle, so they are equal. Now the second AO bisect angle, this our figure is like this. See, so if we prove these two triangle congruent, see clearly this two triangle congruent, then angle BAO is equal to angle CAO by CPCT. Now the first is proved and second is also proved. So first we prove AOB congruent to BOC, then we prove AOC congruent to COB, and this is this, I use just similar because this is exactly similar, so we can write similarly this triangle is congruent to this by ASA. Then if this triangle is congruent to this is congruent to this, it means that this congruent to this also. So this two triangle is congruent according to first and second. If you want to write, you can write here 1, 2. This triangle is congruent to this by 1 and 2. Then the first part, OB is equal to OC by CPCT, because these two triangles are congruent. Triangle AOB and AOC is congruent, so BO is equal to CO by CPCT. Angle BAO, now BAO, this, if this angle is equal to this, we can say that therefore AO bisect angle A. Now this question is complete.